Want to build a website for free with Framer, even if you're a complete beginner? In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from creating your account to editing your pages, customizing the design, and publishing your site live for free. Framer makes it surprisingly simple to create a modern website without needing to code, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get started. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Framer in your browser. Once you're there, click sign up and create your account. If you already have an account, just log in and head straight to your dashboard. From the dashboard, click new project. This is where you'll start building your website from scratch or from a template. Framer gives you a lot of flexibility, so for beginners, the easiest option is usually to choose a template. Templates give you a ready-made layout that you can quickly customize to fit your brand, your business, or your personal portfolio. After selecting a template, Framer will open the editor. This is where the real customization begins. Now you can click directly on the text you want to change and type in your own content. This makes editing fast and intuitive because you can see changes right on the page as you make them. If there are images in the template, you can replace those too with your own photos, product images, or branding graphics. That helps make the website feel unique instead of looking like a generic starter site. If you want to add more content to your page, look for the insert button with the plus icon. Use that to add new sections, new elements, or extra blocks to expand your site. This is especially useful if you want to add an about section, services, testimonials, a contact area, or anything else your website needs. Once your content is in place, the next step is to customize the design from the right panel. Here you can adjust things like colors, fonts, and spacing. These small changes can make a huge difference in how professional your website looks. If you want a clean, modern style, keep your colors consistent and your spacing balanced. If you want a bold brand look, choose fonts and colors that match your identity. Take your time here, because design is what helps your site stand out and feel polished. After you've made your edits, click Preview to see how your website looks before publishing. This is an important step because it lets you check the layout, make sure everything looks good on different sections, and catch any mistakes before the site goes live. If something looks off, go back and tweak it until you're happy with the final result. When everything looks ready, click Publish. Framer will then ask you to choose a free Framer subdomain. This is what allows you to put your site online without paying for a custom domain right away. Select the free option, confirm it, and Framer will begin publishing your website. Once it's live, open your published site and refresh the page if needed. You should now see your website online and accessible through your free Framer link, and that's it. Your website is now live for free. You've just learned how to create an account, start a new project, edit your content, customize the design, preview the site, and publish it online without spending anything. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.